Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Place kind of sound quiet-ish, so hopefully I can get through this script without any noise. Number 1. Chief Justice Brian Skies, speaking at the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industries Award banquet, stressed the importance of constructing a new courthouse befitting Montego Bay's stature, emphasizing concerns of both spatial limitations and environmental risks due to its flood-prone location. Apparently, whenever there is rain, North Gully overflows into the courtyard. Now that must be an icky situation. Have you seen the North Gully? I actually recorded it yesterday when I went downtown, so I have a picture here for you. This is not how it always looks, but it's mostly how it looks. And this is not a new occurrence. I did a video on the history of Montego Bay and this entire area. There was an incident back then as well, a flooding incident. You should definitely check out that video if you haven't already. Where do you think they should move it to? I mean, it definitely deserves a building of its own and a land space of its own. Don't you agree? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 2, Dr. Christopher Tufton, the Health and Wellness Minister, is urging Montego Bay's business community and investors to consider establishing a private wing at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, similar to the Tony Thwaites wing at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Speaking at a Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association meeting, Tufton highlighted the opportunity to pool specialized skills at Cornwall Regional Hospital, emphasizing that there is space available for such an expansion. The proposed private wing aligns with ongoing Cornwall Regional Hospital rehabilitation set for completion in April 2026 at a cost exceeding $14 billion. What do you think? Is this a need? If not, would you agree that it's definitely something that may be desired by most? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 3. Dr. Nigel Clark, Jamaica's finance minister, has signed a financial advisory services agreement with the International Finance Corporation, IFC. This is the World Bank's private sector arm. This partnership aims to develop the National Broadband project as a public-private partnership, PPP. The signing occurred during the United Nations Conference of the Parties COP28 in Dubai, with Senator Matthew Samuda participating. Look here. I don't realize that a time for COP28 again already. Are you serious? Time to move fast. The plan involves constructing a supplementary broadband network that all broadband providers can utilize, ensuring widespread and cost-effective broadband access for Jamaicans regardless of their residence or workplace. The goal is also to attract private investors to build this complementary network. Initial phases have already begun, involving laying 32 kilometers of fiber optic cables in Kingston and St. Andrew. What do you think about this development? Let me know what you think in the comments. Right now, so this next development is definitely something that I've been looking forward to, and it's actually one of the developments I said that I wish would happen in Jamaica in a video that I'm working on. So the government plans to enhance accessibility for people with disabilities by making significant changes to infrastructure building provisions. Minister of Labor and Social Security Colonel Charles Jr. will soon announce transformative measures for integrating disability access into Jamaica's infrastructure plans. I know that this is a development that a lot of Jamaicans will be happy for. I know that whenever I do a walkthrough video of plazas or stores, there's always at least one comment asking, is there wheelchair access? Do they have elevators? Yeah, So let me know what you think about this as well. So those are the developments that I have for you for today. Today is a bonus video. As you know, we meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. to add to our development series. And of course, I do bonus videos within the week. And once again, if you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Check out the video I told you about. I think I'm gonna put it in the community tab and in the description box as well. See you in the next one. Bye.